In this video, we're going to learn how to change decimal to fraction. In changing from decimal to fraction, the numerator is taken as a whole number, while for the denominator, the decimal point stands for 1, and every other digit, including 0, stands for 0. On these examples, I'm going to be explaining how to convert decimal to fraction. Solution. Now we have 0.376. Like we said in the note, this is the numerator. It becomes a whole number. For the denominator, this decimal point stands for what? 1. Then the other numbers, 0, 0, 0. So now we have converted this. This is now what? 376 over 1000. So we're going to divide so we can get the lowest term. So I start with 2. Divide 2 from